Here we go!
And we're off. Okay, if you don't know how to get to the screen, go back to the first video and that will explain how to do that. We're going to look at two of the turn actions now. So we go up to actions, there we are. So the two we're going to look at first, we're going to look at this one, which gives us speed and degrees. So let's just hit play on that and see what happens. Now, let's turn the degrees up, make things more obvious. Let's go further around the circle and the speed can stay the same. So now I'm going to click play, which is down there. Now I'll reset it and make it even more obvious. And we'll go for even more degrees. Let's go further around a circle. Let's go 150 degrees. Now watch the wheels, or watch where the robot is. What it's doing now, it's driving one wheel forward and one wheel backwards. So the robot is staying in place, if you will. It's staying in place, not going anywhere as it turns until it finishes turning through to the number of degrees that you place in there. So that's one way of turning, if you want to turn on the spot. And now the other way of turning gives you a couple of options. This is changing the speed of each wheel. So what we'll do now, let's make this wheel nothing, and right there, that'll do, like that. So if we click now you see the left hand wheel is staying in place, so it's turning about that wheel. Now when you're maneuvering robots, that's one way of translating yourself across a page, if you will, if you can imagine that, or across the surface that you're running on. So that is one way of turning with this one, and the other way, if you add a bit of power on each, let's have 10 on there, and let's say 50 on here, just pulling these numbers out in the air, reset the robot, that's down there at the bottom. Now this will give you what they call a smooth turn. Oh, I didn't accentuate that very well. Let's make that 30 and let's go a little bit further and you'll see that a little bit better. But this is something really that you should, all these things, just play around with. So there we go. So that's it. That gives you a better idea. That's what they call a smooth turn. Various names for these things. People call them different things. You can almost make your own names up. But there's basically a smooth turn is what they call that. So have a play. See what you can do. Start getting yourself around this course. See if you can drive yourself around the course. How might we do that? Well, let's have a look. Let's reset it to start with. Let's just put another one of these in, shall we? Let's have one of these, and let's reverse what we just did. So let's speed up the outer wheel in this case, and slow down the inner wheel. Let's make it that. Let's go a little bit further. Let's go 70, shall we, this time? We've already reset the robot down here. Now let's hit go and see where it goes. So it wiggles off over there, and it wiggles off over there. So play around. You can add stuff in here. The more you add underneath, it'll keep doing it. The more commands it'll do. See if you can get around there. Join us next time when, I don't know, maybe we'll look at the sensors. Cheers for now.